2-second improvement for the week. Here we are at UCI business unit, and this is a kind of a, this went from a one improvement, kind of morphed into multiples. With input from a number of guys. Rick Hitchcock's the one that started the idea. Darren Miller, took it a step further. I added to it. So we have groups of punched openings. It's a poured-in-place building. The punched openings, they vary up to 1 inch, plus or minus. We have to find out where to start with our shims. So what we do is we check the rough opening from our sill to our head. We have a laser rangefinder, and then you'll see here we've written down, this says 3/4 inch and an arrow down. What that means is we start with a 3/4 inch shim and we level down, meaning we don't want to raise that can up. The opening's already too small. Here's one that's really bad. This opening was 13/16 too short overall in the height, so we're going to start with the 3/8 shim. We're going to level down. Most of these openings are broke up with interior walls, so we don't have you're not going to pick up the difference from one opening to the other. Rick's idea, which is really good, we've put the elevation number right here on this tape. All right, so at a glance, you know what elevation you're working with, so you get to the right parts. It saves you the step of digging the drawings out every time going to the floor plan. We're taking it a step further. Here's our mark numbers for the head can. Turns out sill cans, head cans, the 35 designation is the same for every opening. So now we know at a glance, when we walk up to the opening, what we're doing, what our shim start spot is, what the elevation is, and what parts we need to get going.